guys, it's been a long time since I made a video, probably about 3 to 4 years, so I figured it was time. I also just recently decided to color my hair purple. Why not, right? Really not sure why I want to do this because I've been trying to stay blonde, and I've also made a pact with a friend that no bleach all of 2020, and of course this would be the year that we get locked in our houses for 3 months, and it was driving me crazy. I just wanted to do so much to my hair, but made it through that. Kind of light now. I mean, I'm at a decent starting base. I'm not going to be bleaching it because I used a high lift color, and as I previously said, I'm not bleaching my hair all of 2020. So I'm gonna get some gloves and we'll get started. I'm just gonna be using GuyTang in the shade Raven. What I'm gonna start by doing is taking my mixing bowl and just adding a whole bunch of conditioner because I don't want it to be super purple, but I don't want it to be too light either. So I'm literally just filled that. I don't know if you can really see. So we want to make sure we have plenty. The one thing about coloring your hair is you want to make sure you have enough mixed up at first in certain instances, so that way you're not like having to reformulate halfway through and then getting like a whole bunch of different colors that don't match. I'm just going to take my color and just start putting some in there. This is a pretty dark purple, so I don't want it to be like super crazy, and you just want to mix it all together. My real goal is to kind of have something a little smoky, obviously because I'm not super blonde. I don't know how well you can see the color, but I am going to make this a little bit darker, just because I really do want it to show up purple. Watch, I'm going to turn out with like bright purple hair. So this is about the color I have. I think that's going to be pretty good without being too dark or too light. I'll direct dye. It's very simple. You just kind of want to put it on all over. You just want to leave it for however long you really feel to. I mean, as long as your skin's not sensitive and you're not having an allergic reaction. Literally let this on for a few hours. I'm probably going to do about an hour tonight. So now that I've got this all mixed up, we're just going to put it all over. So we're just going to start applying. What I like to do is just kind of feel around, and it's okay to use your hands for this because like I said, this is a direct dye. You don't have to be as particular, just as long as you're covering everything and everything is very well saturated. Now of course I'm just doing one color, so that does make it easier. If you're doing multiple colors, of course you're gonna have to take more time and be more precise. But I ain't got time for all that today. So what I like to do, literally just like to hold that up and then just start coating it. this evening. I'm just going to tie my hair up, go sit outside for a little bit, just enjoy the weather, and I'll be right back and show you the final result. Alright you guys, so this is the color finished, but what I'm first going to do is just quickly throw some little waves in it, and then I'm going to take you outside so we can really see the color. So I already did the back because the back is definitely harder to do on your own.
This is the future.
After I curl it, I just like to run my hands through it and just kind of make it more of a beachy wave. I am going to take you outside so you can see the true color in the sun, but I did use these products. I used the Redken Play Safe, the Olaplex number 7, and the Olaplex number 6. I just used these after I washed my hair and let it air dry, and then I let it go all day and just now styled it. So I will take you outside and we will check it out there. Alright you guys, so this is what my hair looks like outside. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I know it's been a long time since I made a video, but hopefully it will be sooner rather than later. Let me know what you guys would like to see me make a video of next, and I'll see you in my next video.